Okay, so we're going to be looking at the Lynx suborbital vehicle. This nose, pressure cabin, LOX tank, fuel tank, wind strake, strake RCS, propulsion bay, aft RCS, main engines, 4 of them, and rocket dumps. The Lynx is a fully reusable suborbital spacecraft being developed by XCOR Aerospace. Using powerful rocket engines, the Lynx takes off like an airplane from a conventional runway, ascending to the edge of space 60 miles above the surface of the Earth before re-entering the atmosphere and gliding home. Aboard Lynx, you can enjoy the view as a space tourist, and scientists can perform physical and life-size experiments that require microgravity or exposure to the vacuum of space. Scientists can conduct Earth and planetary observations, collect atmospheric data, and perform instrumentation developed for orbital spaceflight, among other missions. A third generation of the Lynx spacecraft will be able to carry larger payloads, as well as launch small satellites into lower Earth orbit. 1 pilot and 1 spaceflight participant, who can be a researcher, space tourist, or astronaut in training. Test flights in 2013, commercial service in 2014. XCOR.com. You can purchase a flight ticket. Visit the website at spacexc.com. Okay, this is the XCOR reusable experimental suborbital aircraft. You can be a space tourist in it. It'll take off with you and a pilot. And this is a full-size vehicle. You can buy a ticket to go on board. I think it's 2014. They're looking at having flights. Pretty nice, sleek. Scale.
Yes, there's in pieces. Right now we have the fuselage and the cockpit separated in the shop, while the strakes and wings and other components are outsourced right now, being built as we speak. What about the engine? The engine is in the shop.
Well, thank you so much.
Okay, this is the Lynx XCOR experimental. Left hand here. Okay, and this is how they'll have to enter.
You want to do it with your left.
This is how they'll have to enter normally.
I don't know that.
Oh, okay.
I mean, just
okay.
there will be more steps, and it'll be easy.
Sure. Wow. And this is the feel of it. Nice. Flight simulator. Cool. What does this button here do? Okay.
Which button?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh.
You know, it's like, what does this button here do? The one that says start. Okay. So, a pilot and a passenger. I'm in the pilot seat now. About 150 tickets sold, about $95,000 per ticket. Expected takeoff and landing 1 to 2 times a day. Starting sometime commercially in 2014 with some more frequent deliveries in 2015. So we expect the price to go down, and they've sold about, I want to say 3 or 4. Or is that 4 or 5 tail numbers so far? They call it wet leasing. His name is Mike.